What is going on? Mr. Crazy 1870 with the Ocean Blue Galaxy Note 9, which is a pretty sick color, if not the sickest or my all-time favorite. Now the phone feels solid in the hands, a little on the slippery side and kind of a little sharp on the edges because of the curved edge on the sides. The rear end is glass, so you might want to rock a slim profile case. One thing I did experience is that every time I would leave it work or just get in my car to drive somewhere, my phone would slip out of my pocket and end up on the side of my seat. This rear end is also a fingerprint magnet. I mean, not a big deal. It's pretty easy to wipe off. The Note 9 does have a 6.4 inch screen with the res of 2960 by 1440. And let me tell you guys, the display looks beautiful. I mean, it's bright with some sick colors. Even in broad daylight, I really have no complaints. Here at the lower end of the phone, you're still gonna find that 3.5 headphone jack. Unlike the iPhone, you might have to use a case. Yeah, I know, it is pretty sad to say. The stereo speaker is tuned by AKG, and I mean, it sounds pretty good for a smartphone. All right, so when it comes to unlocking the phone, you do have a couple options to choose from. Now, the first one is iris scan, which I found to work well. It was smooth, it was fast. You can also have fun with it and add a mask, depending on which one is the one that you like. Face recognition was also pretty smooth and also fast. I really did not have any problems with it. But the one that I personally used the most was fingerprint scan. It was just the one that I got used to. Another huge feature about the Note 9 is the battery life. Now this thing packs a 4,000 milliamp battery. That is a 21% larger than the Note 8. I mean, this thing lasted me literally all day. And I mean, my day starts at 2 o'clock in the morning and it does not end till 10 p.m. at night. And I will literally charge my phone with a 30 to a 20% charge left to end my day. And to me, that's pretty dope. So the Note 9 is running Oreo 8.1 with Samsung's UI on top. So you are going to get some of those doubles because of the actual UI. And there's also Bixby, which has its own dedicated button, which for some reason I would accidentally hit the button sometime. But I did find Bixby to be a little slow and a little frustrating sometimes. As far as performance, I really did not encounter any type of lag on my daily functions or even switching apps or multitasking or even gaming. What happened?
I don't know, man.
Oh man, you suck, man.
No, it's cause it's not letting me aim
Nah,
right.
that's it, you're done, dude. No playing for 3 months.
That guy had aimball.
No playing for 3
Nah,
months.
that guy had aimball.
We also have this fancy yellow S Pen, which the color combo right here looks pretty dope. I like it. It's very, very attracting. It's also going to let you control music. You can play, pause, track forward and backward. Not only that, you can also use it to take a selfie by pressing the button. Now, if you double press, it will switch the camera, and then you can also take the image by pressing the button on the S Pen as well. The S Pen really worked well, and it really does come in handy to write a super quick note or even just to doodle in case you're in a situation where you're bored. And I can really see myself using the S Pen because I'm always trying to catch quick notes on the go, and I can never seem to find a pen anywhere. So as you guys can see, video quality on the Note 9 is real badass. You're gonna get some clean, clear, colorful, bright video quality. Same thing follows with the images. Now this camera is also real badass in low light. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up for the Note 9. Awesome cameras, great performance, a beautiful display, and a all-day battery, and that really cool S Pen. So if you've been thinking about switching to the Note family, this is it. I guarantee you, you probably won't be disappointed.